Hello and welcome back, food lovers. Barbecue season is upon us, and those of us who like chicken may want to cook a whole chicken on the barbecue without the bother of cutting it up into small pieces. However, cooking a whole chicken on the barbecue can take a long time, so how do we speed up the cooking process? The answer is to spatchcock the chicken. This is the process of removing the backbone so that we can flatten the chicken. Doing this speeds up the cooking time, enables the marinade to reach all around the chicken, and produces a crisper skin. And to do this, we're only going to need a pair of kitchen scissors, so let's go. So to spatchcock a chicken, position it so that its rear is facing you and turn it upside down. What we're going to do is to cut either side of the spine as shown here to remove the backbone. And there it is, the spine cleanly removed. You can use it to make stock or feed it to the dog if you have one. Next, turn the chicken over. Remove any pieces of loose skin to tidy up, and press down on the breast to flatten it. And that's it. That's the chicken spatchcocked. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.